on the dance with your excellency. Woki, dance how we go.
Hey, chopping my body. She's chopping my body.
No, she's not chopping your body.
Chopping my body.
She's touching your body.
She's chopping my money. Hey, Jehovah, hey, my body. Jehovah touching my body. Jehovah touching my body. Hey, touching my body. Jehovah touching my body.
Jehovah touching my body.
Jehovah touching my body. Hey, touching your body. Easy beat, touching your body. Katibo, touching your body. Keso, touching your body. Everybody touching your body. Jesus!
Amen!
Hallelujah!
Amen!
Sister Katim, sit down.
Touching your body.
The service is over. Sit down.
Touching your body. Touching your body. Touching your body. Touching your body, oh, this Valentine. Oh, my brother, this is a hottest record label something.
Anyway.
To say intercede, I could blow. No. But what could be my name? If by the time me and Nedu remix squad win, oh.
We go think am. See, una why they there? If me and Katim be artists, the easy bit na backup. Waiting go be the name of our group. Mona let us know.
Yes,
Mona let us for Twitter. But before then, we will go back to topic we will discuss today. Our phone numbers don't they open now. You go begin the call us now. The question we'll ask if you say, man will go work. Come back, come jam in wife, then they feel themselves.
Hey, my brother.
The wife and another man, they feel themselves.
The wife, they feel them. The occur, they feel them. Two of them, they feeling themselves.
They are filled up. Who is the filler and the filly?
Okay.
No, the madam now, the filly.
Filly. Then the man is the filler. And the situation is filling.
Yes.
Okay.
So you know, like a present continuous tense.
Present, past. Participle. Participle. Yes. No. Present continuous participle.
Oh.
Yes. Present continuous participle.
Present continuous participle.
Not be participle.
Okay.
Yes. Anyway, our phone number is there on top of your TV. The question be say, when the man enters the house, catch the man. I'm Judith from Port Harcourt. Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I did fine.
For this matter, who you go blame? Now law will give the man 20 years to stay for inside prison because of say they say in killing wife. I've been at the man you go blame. I've been at the woman
where on die.
Hey.
Jojo.
Hey. Well, anyway, Kingsley Mbachi say, Katim, I swear, Nedu they very, very happy say to see you. Ask Easy Beat how he do last week. What happened?
How Nedu do last week?
Oh.
I mean, no, they talk to my Nedu anyhow. Nedu is part of me, I'm part of him. You know, one and the same. Half and half make a one whole. A half cannot stand by himself, and no man at the island. My Nedu is not an island. Half and half make a whole. Half minus half.
Not be whole. Okay, make go. Oh, whole. Sorry, I think say na whole.
No, half and half, and you don't want.
The religious say, Easy Beat, looking dapper tonight. Nedu, where is your shoe? I've been at Salah, you go your former life. My sister now, I go service for Salah for beach.
Nedu don't use vest today. He say no, the wear shoe. And you see as he fine, he wear the cloth fine. Nedu say no, the wear shoe. I won't even keep him one of my.
My slippers are where I come today. I say I no go wear shoe. Where the shoe? Where Katin carry my shoe?
I won't give you high heel to wear.
No. You go bring the high heel. Una go see the high heel where Katin. I carry shoe make I wear. Katin say make I not wear shoe. Carry high heel. Give me make I wear. Now I wear slippers come.
But I said, Nedu, this red one could match your cloth now.
Is this not evil?
It could match your cloth. You don't see.
But
look at.
I go dress finish. Come wear this kind of shoe.
What wear make them see?
No, leave them first. No, before the end of the show,
I organize them. I arrange them well.
Before the end of the show, I go wear them. Anyway, Easy Beat. We'll go back to this topic. If not you,
who you go blame?
Now the man you go blame. Because if you say you go blame the man, now if you say you go blame the man because of say the man no talk.
He don't react.
He don't react. He not begin the woman because people they like if I do bad thing, make you shout for me. There and there, make you know say it don't finish.
But not everybody be like that.
But not everybody be like that. It get some people say you go do something and they go, but you be idiot, get out, you're a fool. When I go quarrel, when I even fight. But after that one, when I don't discuss the matter, you said go sit down. But people they fear part. Then why they say people they quiet, fear them. Now, who you go blame? Now the man when he be say no talk, I been at the woman When
We
it
don't die.
We don't die. We go touchlight another person's website.
Sure.
I been a law.
Now you go blame.
Now you go blame. Who you go
You
blame?
see, as this matter don't be so, the first thing you know, say this people they will do. They're not going to even reason the yawa or the kind base or the
They
kind
just say person
magomago
don't
wey the
die.
woman do. Now the death now they'll come to calculate.
Yeah, exactly. Now the death they calculate.
Before they go react on the man or begin blame the man, they not run autopsy or all this forensic.
Autopsy, they do autopsy for Nigeria.
They not.
No, that kind of autopsy imba no.
No, that kind of.
They supposed to reason and
Wait first. Destiny from George. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I did fine though.
Destiny. How is your destiny?
My destiny is fine.
Is it permanent site or been a camp day? I be just the start.
We didn't transit.
Anyone we want
Now we say you don't know where your destiny is going to. But anyway, who you go blame for this matter? Now law. I've been at the husband, I've been at the woman.
Now the woman fault now.
But the woman don't die now.
Now her fault. Now why she go do second hand still now?
Why she go wipe another person Abi?
Why she go wipe for another person?
Okay.
Anyway, thank you very much,
Say that the woman.
Destiny.
So, if to say that man now, as he don't cash in madam, they torchlight him. In come beat the woman onto fakes.
Then go say he they do.
Then go say he don't do woman
He don't do
beating.
woman
Yes,
beating.
yes,
He go
yes,
see go
yes.
the physical.
But the man,
now, of
quiet.
course.
Maybe in the fast that day, he say me yours.
Make him just leave them.
I don't see one movie where they similar to this kind of way gas. So this guy, as he come meet even in boss for where in the school they teach people for school. Come they do alright with his wife, they feel in wife. So with the way the guy take vex, he come begin beat the man, beat the man fence. But at the end of the day, when police come, they catch the man, they jail the man. From jail, they can't go psychiatric hospital. Then they can't give him a restraining order. So make him not lie near the woman again. Not even talk of say the woman in question can't die.
Hey, from Kaduna, good evening, Joe.
Good evening.
Good evening, my sister. How you doing, Binta?
Fine.
Go to they know the
Yeah,
studio.
Binta,
Arrange your voice.
Arrange your voice, because they know this studio.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. It's for you or ECB.
Nedu.
How are you now? Binta, I am here. Binta.
Long time. I always try. You could not pick my call.
It's the devil's work, oh. It's the devil's work.
DJ Easy Beat, how you doing?
I'm fine. Oh, good evening, Binta.
Katim.
Ma?
Long time. Where were you last week now? So Nedu.
Which kind of laugh did they laugh now? As if said
I mean, somebody feel you.
somebody they feel you.
No.
Okay, Binta, if now you, now who you go blame? Law, I been a woman, I been a
the
man.
man.
Now the man I go blame.
Now the man you go blame. Why?
Because you kept quiet.
So you know,
You know, you should be scared. You should be very quiet people. You should be scared of them.
So what did the man been supposed to do?
what is man supposed to do?
Hey, Binta.
Archibong, good evening.
Yeah, I'm calling from Calabar.
Archibong from Calabar, good evening.
Yeah, I'm calling from Calabar. Good evening.
Achibong, I did it here.
Oh, you okay, Keti?
I mean, do it, Teddy.
Ngwano.
Keti,
Send me, I'm in model.
I beg you, Archibong, who you go blame?
Achibong.
I mean, Mama, do.
Achibong.
Keti?
The
Blame Maro.
blame madam. So now the blame the yana.
Ngwano.
Because they saw that sinners shall die.
Oh, yeah.
Secondly,
Blame Maro.
blame Maro.
Archibong, blame Maro, but man, mama 20 years, he mama prison.
Achibong say him blame the woman because the soul that sinner shall die.
Shall die. And now they say Archibong, he blame Maro. Woman is a sinner, it's a mama, the man 20 years in prison now, blame Maro. We. Anyway, you see here, what are they talk about? Because I got to sit down and reason the matter. When me and Bookie discussed this matter earlier today.
Chidi, sorry, Nedu. Chidi, say which kind of stupid law be that? The man shout or beat the woman, could change the fact, say she feel another man. That's what he feel another man.
From Lagos, good evening.
He said, "Na the law."
Abel.
Good evening.
Abel, you didn't
Abel.
see what's happened now?
Hey, came them back.
You see, but I I like this your swag. I don't really look you today.
Easy bit. This guy.
Now everybody come they say, easy bit, nice outfit. I like your swag.
Oh, thank you.
Now you know what in the
Thank you.
He has a plan.
Easy, you they come marry from here?
Huh?
You they come marry, you they go cut from
They
here?
go cut from here.
No. We get some kind meeting we won't turn up to. So I just think we all run this spiral so that later. And they do the follow go. You know waiting where? Ain't no one to tell you.
Okay, Coco house coaching.
remember the
But
other
you know said before, Easy bit not they dress like this
You know
before.
they dress like this.
See, wait now.
You know see that thing we could Bello talk that yesterday. He say make we they look this easy somehow.
Okay, Katim, now I be no one talk. Remember one person tweet just now, they tell you say make I tell you waiting they do last week.
Oh.
And they do not tell you waiting do last week when you know they're around. I not go talk. But any more word from they do, I go talk.
Nedu.
Nedu, I am not afraid of you.
Okay.
My brother, I didn't cut him. You don't trust me? No, look into my eye and tell me you don't trust me.
I trust you.
Don't worry, baby. See, nobody can come in between us. Whether color TV or black and white TV, nobody can come in between us. But anyway, back to the matter we discussed.
Okay.
Color
See,
TV.
if as the case go court, they begin the man and say that the man ain't kill the woman. You know, say the man on his own go and defend himself. Go say no, say not be so. Come from Kano. Good evening. We'll go back to the matter.
Okay.
Adam, where you are Eve?
Adam.
Yeah, good evening.
Adam, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Nedu, Katherine, Easy Did.
Yeah, good evening, boss.
How you
Good
doing, my
evening.
brother?
Mega toilet, all of now. They do good job.
You said you done the toilet, Baba.
Double toilet to you. I beg, Adamu, who you go blame? Now the law. I been at the husband. I been at the woman. You go blame.
The way why I see this thing, ba.
Yes.
You see the woman.
Okay.
Adamu.
The woman, what she intend to do, na bad thing, and she intend to do it secretly.
Okay.
So as the man can't step to that thing,
Yes.
you understand? He can't see everything will happen.
Yes.
So he expose everything.
Okay.
But he act maturely, but in the wrong way. You understand? If you see that kind of thing, you understand? You're supposed to involve law enforcement people, but he just be quiet. So that quietness can't keep everybody under suspense. Even the woman said she can't keep her under suspense. So now it make the woman go commit suicide.
Okay.
But initially, now the woman I start all those bad process. But waiting led to the woman death. You understand? And waiting can put him himself inside trouble. Now that suspense when he keep everybody. So me I go blame the man. You know, do the right thing.
Okay. Nice point. Anyway, thank you very much,
When
Adamu.
you explain, I'm come.
Thank you.
See, technically, if you ask me.
Christy, sorry, we'll come back. Christy from Macaulay, good evening.
I should call back.
Mba, call me. We are here, Christy.
Yeah.
Christy, baby.
Yes.
How is your name?
Who am I speaking to?
Hey!
Who you call
Who
before?
you call?
Okay, yeah, so, good evening.
Who they feel you there?
I don't know.
Nedu and Katherine.
Ma,
Good evening.
evening, oh.
The TV, the reaction.
Thank you. Christy, I beg, if you dey call, reduce your TV. I beg, others of all of now what they call, una no need hear una sef. When they call, make
don't
una
worry.
reduce una
They
volume
know
on
what we go
TV.
do now. We say we go the right time on top the TV. We say
If they call, reduce your volume. Easy bit to talk something.
Okay, yeah, and technically, now I blame the woman at first because now she bring the
Another
come
man.
house, you understand, to come their matrimonial home.
And if it no be say na the first time we didn't do that.
You understand?
And I
But the
sure-
man,
definitely,
and
definitely.
the man again, I still blame the man because number one, the woman already did wrong. And see the way the man can't act, and now because of the way the man act, guilty conscience can't go make the woman kill herself. You understand? And even if they carry the matter go court, which evidence the man won't give court? Say
Because-
the lady bring man come house.
Funny enough, the man self, nobody know where the man did. And if in the try, in fact, the man took himself for trouble.
You understand?
If in the try talk, say, no, I did not do. Actually, what happened was that I came back
Then
from
who
work.
go believe
I can't
am?
see person, they wipe my wife.
Who
they
go believe
beat
am?
my wife. Now I can't go sit down. Look, I said, that's why I said that. That's why I go make them begin because they go say,
Hey, so you vex,
you vex,
that
you can't
kind
kill am,
of
abi?
thing. You don't understand?
But
I blame the lady
But
and I-
police self go gon talk say na domestic issue.
You
understand?
They
You
don't put
understand?
mouth inside.
Mary from Ibadan,
Mary
good
from
evening.
Ibadan. How now?
Good evening.
Yes,
How you doing, Mary?
I'm fine.
You be okay. Mary, I beg, who you go blame for this matter? Nah, law. I been at the husband. I been at the wife.
I go blame the woman.
Okay.
Because if she go do that kind of thing, why she go even kill herself? She don't do the mistake for suppose beg the husband.
Okay.
So maybe the husband they look the time where he go take
Action.
Maybe one control himself.
Okay. Why the hand so that she can explain herself.
Yes.
She can't go kill herself the secondly. So I will blame her.
Anyway,
Mary, thank
you very much, Mary.
You know, say na true she talk.
Yeah, good evening, Mary.
Good evening. You are
Yeah,
looking
good
good today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You
Thank
just
you.
take away.
Thank you very much.
Maybe you can be my VAR.
Mary, you don't join the religious and have fun.
Yes, the guy is looking good. You are looking good today, don't worry.
Thank you very much.
I'm 30 also.
Mary, don't marry.
No.
Thank you. Evans from Akwa Ibom, good evening, I beg.
This ECB.
Evans, good evening. Evans from Akwa Ibom, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Where you go?
I don't know.
Your TV too loud.
I can never do.
I mean, some kekere mbo me keka okay. Tonga get for no.
Tonga get for TV. Ma dey photo.
Utonga ko.
Itonga ko TV.
TV.
Tonga.
Haven't the TV phone a kero loud. Make it reduce the volume.
Tonga ko from here get reduce oh. Itonga ko gan. Oh ya kan dey kun. Itonga ko.
Hello,
make up fien. So in this case, for you mean I'm here, who will you use?
Actually, I actually blame the woman.
Evans, reduce volume on TV for now.
Me reduce now. You're not getting me.
I mean, me reduce.
Okay, I'm gonna reduce. Mama na blame woman, law or husband.
Evans.
Hello.
Evans, yes. Thank you. Call us back when they call us.
Blame the woman.
Evans, I beg, Mona no verse. Not be say we dey cut now, but if you dey call us, try reduction the volume of your TV. You don't have to hear yourself. You don't have to
at all. We dey hear you and you dey hear us.
You are hearing us. We are hearing you. We are the area. We are the hearing. Continue.
Victor Okponna, Nedu see me saying that the woman I could blame. For the eye of the law, say purity pearl. Now your papa name be that. Purity Pearl say, oh, for the eye of law, the man we go yell, naim, then go blame because he no get evidence. Now, but for we eye, now the woman chop blame belly.
Anna Dugo from Festa, good evening. Anna Dugo.
Yeah.
Anna Dugo.
Anna Dugo.
Easy bit, back to you.
Yeah.
Where to be the talk?
Yeah, like I talked before, I say I go blame the woman and I go blame the man.
Okay.
You understand? So the woman don't. They say two wrongs can make the right. So the woman don't fail do her own mistake first. Then the man come secondly can contribute during the whole thing. Because if the matter can go court, now they want to believe the man. So number one, the woman don't already did guilty before. But you know, say one person not the get sense finish. As if you say the woman not try. So you as the man, you're supposed to at least talk. Quarrel with her so that she not go allow that guilt come push her to go kill herself.
No, you know say sometimes.
But people they did different too. I don't hear one story similar to this story before, but the woman not kill herself. You don't tell her the story. Now say the man on a night before his wedding, he catch in best man, they feel in wife. To be. Now the best man see him, say then catch him. The wife see him, say then catch them. The man not talk anything. The man now the bachelor eve for the bachelor eve party. The man. I know that they take that, but the man come now the hotel where they supposed to stay. The man come down, sit down, do everything what they do. The next day for church, the man go. Then join them, then wed everything. The man not go anywhere. But the best man not come, and that person come become the best man. Guilty conscience not make her. The woman fear. She do everything. You know, we say as they enter the wedding, then the man not touch palm like this for her body. The woman go cook full everywhere. The man not touch anything. The woman do for close to 3-4 years. The woman not wipe anybody for 3 to 4 years. The man not touch her. Now the woman go come to tell her family members, I beg, more can I come back my husband? No, he not talk. He not talk. May they come back my husband, may they come back my husband. The man go say, beg me for waiting. Waiting you do. The woman not going to talk until finally she come arrange a village meeting. When they go village, come arrange village meeting. Now for there, she can't talk what she do.
Because
after she talk what she do, the man come hug her. She said that hug, go that man hug her. That hug na the best hug ever.
Hey, so that wiping that night.
Hey. Anyway, make we calm the tension. So make we watch Adobe video. Come back, we continue it on Top Night Show.
Story.
Okay, most say this call before we go. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, my sister. How
Good
you
evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine.
Nedu, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Katherine, I don't see you.
Evening, sir.
Master, because no more than a man or woman.
Easy being.
Boss, good evening, oh.
Okay.
How are you?
We dey fine, oh. We dey chill, we chilling.
You be man, I be woman's.
I'm a woman.
Oh,
good evening, man.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, we're chilling.
How is the ministry, ma?
Easy being.
Yeah, mama, good evening, we're chilling.
Is even at the third time we should greet you be this, so.
I greet time now. Good evening.
At the third time we should greet you be this, so. Madam Victory.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma. Make her kneel down.
Hello.
Yes, ma. I'm listening to you, ma. I'm kneeling down, ma.
Okay. My name is Victory.
Okay, Beati.
Not Victory.
Okay, Beati. Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
I'm kneeling down for you, ma.
I see you.
You don't feel. Hey.
You see what's in the feel? Hey. In the feel.
I blame the woman.
Okay, you blame the woman. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I have my reason.
What is your reason?
Okay. You know you are a married woman.
Yes.
In your matrimonial home. Why must you bring another man to the room?
Okay.
And the man did not react well. When you meet your wife in such a heart, you raise alarm and you caution her.
Okay.
But that silence, the wife is afraid that the man will do something.
Okay.
So, to avoid the shame of the public, he decided to take her life.
Okay.
Anyway,
thank you for that.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Good evening, ma. Help us greet them for us, oh.
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma. Make we watch Adobe video, ma.
Good night.
Will they come, ma? Yes, ma. Will they come? We'll watch Adobe video.